Alright, small space enthusiasts, today, I'm diving into the world of studio apartment decorating ideas, and trust me, it's going to be a game changer. If you're like me, you love the charm of a cozy studio but hate the lack of space. So, let's talk Murphy beds. Murphy beds are a lifesaver for anyone living in a small space. Imagine this, by day, you've got a sleek, modern living room, and by night, voila! You pull down your Murphy bed and it's a comfy, dreamy bedroom. Sounds magical, right? First off, positioning is key. Place your Murphy bed against a wall with good lighting. It makes the room feel open and airy, even when the bed is down. Add some floating shelves above for decor and storage. Trust me, it's all about maximizing vertical space. Next, think about multifunctional furniture. A foldable desk or a convertible coffee table can double as a workspace and dining area. This way, your studio feels like a mini penthouse, efficient and stylish. Now let's talk colors. Light, neutral tones can make your space look bigger and brighter. Throw in some colorful accents to keep it lively. Maybe a vibrant rug or some funky throw pillows. It's your space, so let your personality shine through. Don't forget about mirrors. Mirrors can create the illusion of more space. Hang one on the wall or place a freestanding mirror in a corner. It reflects light and makes your studio look twice as big. Lastly, keep it clutter-free. Use stylish storage bins or ottomans with hidden compartments. The less clutter, the more spacious and inviting your studio will feel. So, there you have it. With a little creativity and a Murphy bed, your studio apartment can transform into an amazing multifunctional home. Ready to make the most of your space? Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more awesome ideas. Thanks for watching.